What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyso here, back with another video. And today it's a little mod day. We're gonna be installing side markers on my car today. I got them in the mail yesterday. So yeah, let's open it up and see what they look like. All right, open the box up. See what they look like. Make sure everything is good, you know, all that good stuff. Box is nice, got it wrapped up nice and stuff. These things look pretty good. Got them off Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Let me know what you guys think. Also, this thing right here, if anyone knows how to fix that, it does not go in, and I'm trying to figure out how to fix it. If anyone knows how to do that, leave a comment down below. Let me know how to fix that. And yeah, man, help a boy out. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. You know, let me know what you want to see in upcoming videos, things like that, you know. And yeah, let's get on with the video. All right, guys, so the first thing you need to do is get this thing off. So what you need to do is push it back like that. See, I was moving back with the clip and just pull it out. This piece right here is what you're pushing back, so it disengages from the car, and then you just pull it out on the right side. So what you want to do next is this black piece right here. You want to flip this, because it's clipped on, you got to flip it up and just pull it out like that. Very simple. It's the old one. So you just get the new light and you just plug it up to here. Plug it up here. Plug it in like that, and just, hold on, I should clean this off first. Be back. And now you just want to clip it back in. Do the right side first. Make sure it's wow, it just started raining out of nowhere. I'm gonna try to get some after clips of how the lights look to show you guys how they look. And yeah, I'm gonna just try to get those in when the rain dies down. It actually looks like it's dying down now, so I'm gonna try to get some clips in for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, that's it for this video. As you can hear in the background, it's raining really hard. I had to hurry up and get what I could get in on installing these lights, but it's not that hard. I highly recommend anyone that has this kind of car to get those lights. Really makes your side pop out more, makes it look more aggressive, more sporty. And yeah, that's it for this video. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see, let me know how your day is. This rain is going crazy right now. I freaking put both lights on just in time. But yeah, that's it for this one. Catch you on the next one, guys.